Antonyms or opposite words with simple examples for beginners. Big, small. The elephant is big, but the mouse is small. Hot, cold. The tea is hot, but the ice cream is cold. Happy, sad. Riya was happy yesterday, but today she feels sad. Fast, slow. The rabbit runs fast, but the turtle walks slow. Up, down. The bird flew up and then came down. Day, night. We go to school in day and sleep at night. Old, young. My father is old, but my brother is young. Easy, hard. This puzzle is easy, but that one is hard. Near, far. The park is near my house, but the beach is far away. Clean, dirty. Keep your hands clean, not dirty. Tall, short. The giraffe is tall and the dog is short. Open, close. The shop is open in the morning and close at the night. Rich, poor. The rich man helped the poor family. Full, empty. The glass is full of milk. Now it's empty. Strong, weak. The boxer is strong, but the baby is weak. Light, dark. It is light in the morning and dark at night. Sweet, sour. Mangoes are sweet, but the lemons are sour. High, low. The kite is flying high, but the ball is low. Inside, outside. The cat is inside the house, and the dog is outside. Begin, end. The movie will begin at 7 p.m. and end at 9 p.m. Laugh, cry. The baby will laugh when happy and cry when hungry. Buy, sell. I want to buy a toy and the shopkeeper will sell it. Arrive, leave. The train will arrive at 8 a.m. and leave at 8:30 a.m. Beautiful, ugly. The flower is beautiful, but the trash is ugly. Early, late. Rani came early, but Ravi came late. Love, hate. We should love everyone, not hate anyone. Give, take. Please give me the pen. I will take it. Begin, finish. Let's begin our homework and finish it soon. Sit, Stand. The teacher asked us to sit and then to stand. Push and pull. You must push the door to open and pull it to close. True, false. The answer is true, not false. Friend, enemy. Rahul is my friend, not my enemy. Win, lose. Our team will try to win, not lose the match. Old, new. I bought a new phone and gave away my old one. Soft, hard. The pillow is soft, but the rock is hard. Under, over. The cat is under the table and the ball is over it. Brave, covered. The soldiers are brave, not covered. Strong, weak. Exercise makes us strong, not weak. Before, after. Brush your teeth before breakfast, not after. Wet, dry. The towel is dry, but my clothes are wet. Sharp, blunt. The knife is sharp, but that one is blunt. Deep, shallow. The ocean is deep, but the pond is shallow. Lost, found. I lost my cycle, but later I found it.